10th samacheer max exercise 3.3 second sum. Find the LCM of each pair of the following polynomials. The polynomial is given for you a cube plus 4a minus 12, this is your f of x. Then a square minus 5a plus 6, that is your g of x. And GCD is given as a minus 2. So f of x is equal to what? A square plus 4a minus 12. And g of x is equal to a square minus 5a plus 6. Your GCD is equal to a minus 2, that is given for you. So first you factorize this f of x and keep, so that it will be easy for you when you do your problem. Okay. So first is a square minus a square plus 4a minus 12. So minus 12 you write on the top, you know constant has to be written on the top, and down you will be writing your coefficient of a. So you have to factorize such that if you multiply these two values you will get minus 12. If you add any of the factors what you are going to write, you add means you must get 4. So you know 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12 means you want positive 4. You want positive 4 means the smaller number has to be negative, only then if your bigger number is positive only your answer will be positive. So I am giving the positive sign for the bigger number. So 6 minus 2 will give you 4, 6 into minus 12 will minus 2 will give you minus 12, 6 into minus 2 will give you minus 12. So your factor is a plus 6 into a minus 2. So this is your factor. Next you consider g of x. G of x is equal to a square minus 5a plus 6. So 6 is your value. So you can write it as, down you will be writing what? Minus 5. So you know 6 is 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. So both has to be negative, only then if you multiply minus into minus will become 6 plus value, 3 2s are 6. So minus 3 into minus 2 will give you plus 6, and you add these two, minus 3 minus 2 will give you minus 5. So your factor will be a minus 3 into a minus 2. So this is your g of x. So now already you know the formula, f of x into g of x is equal to LCM into GCD. Here you are given your GCD value, you are supposed to find out LCM. So you have LCM in your one side, take the GCD down means into, if it comes this side it becomes denominator, it goes to the denominator, it becomes division. So f of x into g of x divided by GCD is equal to your LCM. So you write the values what you have found out. Now your f of x is what? A plus 6 into a minus 2 divided by, into your g of x value, a minus 3 into a minus 2 divided by your GCD value. Your GCD value is given as a minus 2. So a minus 2. So a minus 2 gets cancelled. So what's your LCM now? Therefore your LCM is equal to a plus 6 into a minus 2 into a minus 3. So this is your LCM. So your LCM is what? A plus 6 into a minus 2 into a minus 3. You can leave it as it is. Next you come to the second subdivision. The second subdivision is, your f of x is given as x power 4 minus 27a cube, and g of x is equal to x minus 3a square. Your GCD is x minus 3a. So now your f of x you take up first. F of x is equal to x power 4 minus 27a cube x. Okay, so 20 x power 4 minus 27a cube x. So what is common here? X is common, you can take it out. So you will get x cube minus 27a cube. Okay, so it is equal to x into x cube minus, this can be written as, you know this is cubic value, you know 27 is 3 into 3 into 3 will give you 27. So 3a the whole cube. So this can be written as, this is of what form? A cube minus b cube. You know the formula already. A minus, identity is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So this is your identity. A square, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So in the place of a you have here x. So it is equal to x you write as it is. This x cube you will be writing as x minus 3a. Your a is x. A is equal to what? X. Your b is equal to 3a. So in the place of a you will put x, in the place in your form identity, in the place of a you will put x, in the place of b you will put 3a. So only I have written x minus 3a. X minus 3a into, in the place of x, a square will be putting x square minus here it is plus, your formula identity is plus 3ax, that is 3a stands for your b, this is your a. So 3ax plus b square is what? 3a the whole square. So 3a the whole square. Okay, 3a the whole square. So this is 3a the whole square. So it is equal to x into x minus 3a into x square plus 3ax plus 9a square. It is equal to what? 9a square. So now you can take up the next one, g of x. Your g of x is equal to x minus 3a the whole square. You have it as it is. Next you come to your GCD. Your GCD is equal to x minus 3a. So now you know your formula. LCM into GCD is equal to f of x into g of x. So you want your LCM now. LCM is equal to f of x into g of x divided by GCD. So it is equal to f of x, you have found it as what? X into x minus 3a into, it is x into x minus 3a into x square plus 3ax plus 9a square into your g of x is what? X minus 3a the whole square, x minus 3a the whole square divided by your GCD. GCD is what? X minus 3a. So you have x minus 3a. So cancel x minus 3a, x minus 3a. So your answer is what? X into x minus 3a the whole square into, you have x minus 3a the whole square into x square plus 3ax plus 9a square. So this is your LCM. Okay. So your LCM is equal to what? Whatever is cancelled, the rest of the values you have to take up and write. X into x minus 3a square, x square plus 3ax plus 9a square. So this is your LCM.